Hi, my name is Jenny and I am doing a packing and review of the Jujube Hello Sanrio Itty Bitty. Now this one's discontinued. I think they ended it with this print, but I'm not sure. I could be wrong. So they're not available on the Jujube website anymore, but I've seen some. I think it was a C-Punk that was still on a few baby websites. Otherwise, I've seen them on BST or resale sites. So this is normally made for kids, but I've been using it as like just my mom bag. Like, you know, obviously just pure essentials. So I mean, this is a miniature of the Be Classy. Let me get my Be Sassy and show you the size difference. So as you can see, there is a big difference between the Sassy and the Itty Bitty. So, like I said, definitely a mini bag. So to compare it to the mini BRB, sorry, it's a little sunny here. So definitely, this is the mini BRB is taller. And then to compare it to the mini BFF, obviously you can tell the mini BFF is wider. So packing wise, not a lot can fit, obviously, but I'll show you what I have in my front pocket. I just have in my front pocket my AirPods, and then in this back pocket here is my Z Flip. So you can see the lining here. Oh, I love the lining of the Hello Sweets. Hello Sanrio Sweets. And then in the main pocket, I have my Be Charged in Rainbow Dreams, and then a coin purse, the Kawaii Carnival, and this is my med pouch pretty much. So like I said, this was definitely one that's like a quick trip. This one I actually just packed for like the park with my girls. They ended up carrying their own bag. So definitely a cute like little micro bag, I guess. I don't even want to say mini because it's definitely a lot smaller than the mini BFF and the mini BRB. I mean, if you can find one, great. I mean, some of them have gone over retail. Otherwise, I've seen some that are retail on the BST. You just have to be patient and wait. Thanks for watching. Bye.